Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should not try to fingerprint or de-anonymize other people on Instagram. That crosses ethical and often legal lines. Instead, start by understanding what you can lawfully do. Review public profile metadata, monitor your own account activity, and learn privacy settings. Once done, use this knowledge to protect yourself and to conduct responsible research with consent. Make sure to document permission if you work on investigations. It protects you and the people involved. Now focus on practical, defensive steps you can take. Enable two-factor authentication and choose strong, unique passwords using a manager. Review and revoke third-party app permissions to limit data exposure, and check Instagram's login activity to spot unfamiliar devices. Once done, keep a security log and update recovery options so you can respond quickly if something seems off. These actions help you secure accounts without violating anyone else's privacy. To continue responsibly, rely on publicly available information and Instagram's official APIs while strictly following their terms of service. If you need deeper information for research, get explicit written consent from the account owner before collecting or analyzing their data. Once done, report harassment or threats to Instagram and, if needed, to law enforcement. Preserve logs and evidence. If troubleshooting access or privacy issues, start with account recovery steps and support channels rather than invasive techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.